Hello guys, today we will make a ABCD puzzle game for parents and kids. Let's start. So for that we have taken 9 A4 sized papers and my mom is helping me to cut them. We will cut them into 78 equal sized cards. We have made one. You have to fold them like this. My mommy is folding. And you have to do it properly. You will do it like this. You will first do this one. Like to fold that onto this. And then you will fold that onto that. And again repeat. I can't do it, so my mom is helping me to do it. We are done folding them. Now we will cut them from the folds. You can cut them with a knife too. It's a really fast way to do it. If your mom and dad are doing this. Now we will again fold them in 3 equal parts. Like my mom is doing. You have to cut again because we are making small cards. Not really big ones. Our pack of cards are ready. Now I am going to draw on them. Now I am going to draw capital A. Now small a. Now capital B. Now small b. Similarly, we are going to draw all capital and small letters. Okay? Alphabets from A to Z are done. Now we will make the pictures. A for apple. Apple. B for ball. Ball. For cake, cake. D for drum. the drum. Now I'm going to do E for egg. Egg. It's cracking. I'm doing like that. You can make a simple egg if you want. Now I'm going to do F for fish. F for fish. Now I'm going to do G for grass. Grass. Okay, grass is done. Now we will do H for house. Now I for ice cream. I for ice cream with a cherry on the top. Now I will do J for jug. Now I am going to do kite. Now I am going to do L for lamp. First the straight line, then sleepy line, and then a sleepy line on top too, and then like this, and then like this, and then like this, and then ding 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 ding, and then a string to make it open, and a wire. If it's on, you will push the string, it will get on. If it's not on, you will push the string, it will not glue. Okay, now I am going to do Ma for moon. One eye for the moon and the nose. Look, he's looking cute. Now I am going to do net. N for net. Now I am going to do octopus. Now I am going to do his eyes. Yay! He's singing a song. Yay, 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 yay. I have so many feet and hands. I can do anything with them. Now I'm going to do P for pen. Pen. Q for quill. So quill we will draw like this. You know what is a quill? In old years, they used this to make a pen. They used ink and dipped the quill like this, and then they write it from this end. Quill. Now I'm making a rainbow. Rainbow. Now I'm going to do sun. Look how many hands are there in sun. Lots of hands. And one face. Why? Now I'm making a truck. Truck. Truck is done now. I'm going to do U for umbrella. Whoa, violin. Now I'm going to do W. W for water bottle. Now I'm going to make a X-ray machine. Yogurt. Now I'm going to do zigzag. Zigzag. All the drawing part is done. Now let's color them.